people, it's Rakina. I'm back with another video. So on this video, I want to talk to you guys about a secure credit card that will potentially graduate. Now, you guys do want to make sure that you have your best credit score going forward, like after you approved, so that you guys will have a great chance of it actually graduating. A lot of the secure credit cards out there say, oh yes, we're going to graduate your credit card, and they never graduate your credit card. You're stuck with an unsecured, you're stuck with a secure credit card. But this one, some people did say that they were able to get it to graduate. So if you're willing to take the chance of waiting to see if it's going to become unsecured and turn into one of their regular unsecured credit cards, then I would say definitely take that chance, because their other credit cards offer like 3% back on dining and things like that. So I definitely want you guys to take the chance if you can. But again, your security deposit, you have to put a deposit down on this credit card, is going to be held up until the credit card become unsecure, or before or until you actually close the account. So you decide if you want to take that chance. Now we're talking about the TD Secure credit card. So with this credit card, you guys, here is the actual credit card. With this credit card, you guys will get 1% cash back on all of your purchases. So that's something I really like. You guys know that there's other credit cards, and I'm going to tell you about these other credit cards just in case, like other ones I know is going to graduate. They also offer the same amount back in rewards. So this one is very similar. This one actually has a $29 annual fee though. So you do have to pay an annual fee on this one. I am going to show you another credit card a little later that offer a credit card, but it will not have an annual fee, and you guys will be able to get, you guys will be able to get 2% back, and also be able to get 1% in cash back. So I really like that one, and that one graduate in about 8 months. They say that you need to make sure that you have a good credit report, and you not only just when you apply, but going forward. So no new late payments. Don't max out your credit cards, because they're going to be looking at your other accounts too. And they said they can graduate you in about 7 months. But first, you have to go ahead and apply for the card. They're going to conditionally get you approved. So they're going to say, yes, we can approve you, but you have to put money in your savings account. You can fund your account. You'll have to pay at least $300, but you can go all the way up to $5,000. You'll have to fund your account, and you can fund that by a TD Bank account, like one of your accounts that you have with them, your debit card, or an external account. So if you guys have maybe some money sitting around that you're just saving, and you need to start building up your account, then you can use some of that money to start. You can start your account with that money, and then they'll start reporting to the credit bureaus, and that should actually go ahead and boost your credit score up. Now, this is the part I want you guys to see right here. They said, if you use and maintain the card and keep it in good standing, you may be eligible to graduate to an unsecured TD Bank credit card. Please keep in mind, not all accounts qualify for graduation. A decision to graduate is based on responsible credit management across all of your credit cards and loans, including TD and others. So sometimes people think, oh, let me just keep my account with you guys, or I didn't mess up with you guys. You guys should graduate it. No, 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 no. Even the account I'm going to show you, they want you to make sure that you keep your full credit report going on the up and up. Like when they start reporting, your credit score should go up. It should not be going down. Only way I can really see it going down is if you have maxed out credit cards and you're not paying on time. And that's the only reason. Now, unless you have like some fraudulent things going on, your account should be on the full up and up. Now, if you do have fraudulent things going on, I definitely want you guys to check out a company called Aura. And thank you so much, Aura, for actually sponsoring this video. Aura can protect you if you guys were to have anything fraudulent going on with your credit reports, maybe your bank accounts. They can protect you that way. So they have identity theft protection. They even give you $1 million insurance coverage. So if you guys were to have like losses, then they can go ahead and help you with trying to figure out what you have to do, and you have that $1 million coverage for your losses. Usually if you guys have something fraudulent going on, they'll let you know within 24 hours that something is going on. If you can see right here, they have a free trial, so go ahead and check out my link. It's a 14-day free trial where they'll let you go on there, look around, you guys, and also you can add your family on too, but look around and see what they have to offer. And if you guys ever have anything fraudulent going on, they will let you know again within 24 hours. They also have it where you guys can download the Aura app, and that's going to be for your mobile. You can look at it on your mobile, your computer, the tablet, and your web browser. And you guys will also get the Wi-Fi protection, which is really amazing. It's very simple for you guys to sign up for them, and you guys can have password management, so they can go ahead and manage your passwords. They can also manage your bank accounts. And you guys see right here, I told you guys about that. That is your $1 million coverage. So if you guys were to have anything going on, then every adult member will get $1 million insurance to cover eligible losses and fees due to identity theft. So that's something I really like that you guys will have, because when identity theft happen, it can ruin your life, especially if you're in a process of trying to buy a house, you're trying to get a car. You got to get all that stuff fixed before you can even continue to try to go forward. And sometimes people are left with those fees. So I am so happy that I am actually partnered with Aura, and Aura is able to help you guys with this. Now, they do have a 60-day money back guarantees if you guys try out their annual plan. So definitely check out their annual plans. But just to get started, just to look around, check out their free trial to see what they have to offer. And then you guys can take it from there and decide, if you want to continue to keep Aura or what's going on with Aura. And or make sure you guys call them too. I had called them when I first decided to partner with Aura, and they have the US based customer service. So you guys will be able to talk to people that's here and that can address any concerns that you guys do have. So definitely check them out. Again, thank you so much, Aura, for sponsoring this video. Go ahead and check out their 14-day free trial. Now, I told you guys I was going to tell you guys about those credit cards that's able to graduate, and I didn't forget. So let's go ahead and check out those credit cards now. Now, the first card I want to talk to you guys about is the Discover credit card. So if you click right here, you'll see where it says credit cards. Go ahead and click right there where it says credit cards. And this is their secure credit card here. So with their secure credit card, you guys can check to see if you're pre-qualified for the credit card, which is really amazing. So they'll let you know yes or no on whether or not they can give you that credit card without a hard inquiry. And you guys will earn 2% back at gas stations and restaurants, and that's going to be up to $1,000 each quarter. So that's 2% back at gas stations and restaurants. You guys are not getting that with your TD card. So that's something that I really like. And then you guys are going to get 1% unlimited cash back. So you guys don't have a limit like on $1,000 in purchases, $2,000 in purchases. You guys would not have that limit at all. But definitely check this card out to see if you can get it. Now, they do not have an intro sign up for any of their, usually have like a intro sign up bonus for Discover or some of the other credit cards. They don't have that. But after you had your card for a year, they're going to do a cash back match. So dollar for dollar, they're going to match your cash back. So definitely check that out because I like that. So if you guys were to earn $150 in cash back, then they're going to double that after your year. So on your anniversary, they're going to give you an additional $150, and I believe you can put down up to $2,500 with your secure credit account. And I usually see this card graduate in about 8 months. You guys can also check out an account called Navy Federal Credit Union. Their End Rewards, their secure credit card. That credit card graduate between 3 to 6 months. And usually when it come down to that credit card graduating, usually they're going to tell you guys that you have to do the same thing. Pay on time, you keep your balance on your credit cards, you don't have any new negative accounts. You can have like the same, like if you have some collections at first, you can have those same collection accounts, but usually they'll tell you guys you can't have any new accounts. And when it comes down to Navy Federal, you do have to become a member, so please check out their how to become a member. I told them that my granddad was in the Navy and I just became a member, and it was just literally that simple. So definitely check them out. And again, thank you so much, Aura, for sponsoring this video. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments your questions, and check out my 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. I have the link down below. You can watch that free video on how to increase your credit score. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.